Hello and welcome to Chaucer, a barn which I've converted and fields which I've rewilded since my farming days. So I really look forward to showing you around.
Set in 20 acres of North Norfolk countryside and just 3 miles from the coast, Chaucer Barn, the rewilded parkland and stunning landscape gardens offer a unique setting for a wedding, whatever the season. The Independent newspaper rated Chaucer Barn as the UK's 6th best wedding venue, and the gardens were recently recognised by the Royal Horticultural Society. Within the spacious main hall sits a large banqueting table, which can seat 18 people. If required, the table can be removed to allow wedding ceremonies to take place in the hall. The rustic charm of the main hall, combined with huge floor-to-ceiling windows, a large showpiece candelabra, and open beams, all make for an atmospheric location to share your vows. Upstairs, the mezzanine floor lounge offers views across the garden and meadow beyond, with a large open fireplace and logs provided. The main barn provides 9 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 4 reception rooms, a games room and a large kitchen with an aga. Each of the bedrooms is unique, with different colour schemes and themes running throughout. The games room at the east end of the hall has large sliding glass doors looking out onto the patio and knot garden. With 2 open fires, table tennis table and piano, it's the social hub of the barn. Upstairs in the east wing are 5 bedrooms, some with panoramic views across the gardens, freestanding baths, carefully styled interiors, and open flint work in some rooms, continuing the rustic charm of this unique location. The gardens, both colourful and architectural, provide many surprises and hidden delights, with benches carefully placed to take in the views and observe the great variety of insects, birds and wildlife that frequent the grounds. The large lawn to the west of the barn is perfect for outdoor summer wedding ceremonies. Beyond the pyramid hedges, the view opens out to reveal the undulating wild meadow, with an avenue of trees leading down to the stone circle. The centrepiece being an upturned chestnut tree root with a large mystical crystal of merlinite held within. Neighbouring the stone circle is Half Moon Wood, with the woodland glade, another popular spot for an open-air wedding ceremony, housing another willow arch and a gazebo lined with rambling rose and honeysuckle. This is a magical location for a summer wedding ceremony, surrounded by nature. Overlooking the parkland are 5 secluded eco-lodges, self-contained accommodation hidden within the woods, exquisitely crafted. The lodges offer bathing and kitchen facilities, a wood-burning stove, mood lighting, and amazing views of the parkland. Any event at Chaucer Barn, no matter how large or how intimate, whatever the season, will provide memories for you to cherish and look back on for years to come. We look forward to welcoming you to our little slice of paradise in the North Norfolk countryside.